Hello, and welcome to a brand new video. Hope you guys are fine and coping with your daily chores in the best possible way. This video is for all the crypto lovers who are unable to decide on an appropriate platform for them. Crypto is rapidly increasing in the present era. People are shifting from ordinary currency to Bitcoin and Ethereum. They believe that crypto has a future and it is the only way to generate wealth for yourself. After participation of Elon Musk, the price of Bitcoin reached its height. Elon Musk stated in one of his recent tweets that crypto has a future. Since then, the majority of people are spending their savings to buy shares and invest at an appropriate platform. However, exchange platforms are a bit confusing to people, and they're unable to understand how they work. Unlike centralized platforms like Binance, decentralized exchange programs are more in demand. We will contrast two of the most highly developed platforms for crypto users and decide which one can be fruitful for you as a beginner. DEX stands for Decentralized Exchange. It is a platform where traders can easily do crypto exchanges. DEX is primarily backed by an Ethereum blockchain. DEX is a crypto-to-crypto exchange. Unlike other centralized exchange networks that allow you to exchange from crypto to fiat and vice versa, DEX doesn't do the same. You can only exchange for crypto on DEX. DEX has been specifically designed to make it easier for the traders even if they are beginners. It has been designed with an open source code so anyone can have access to it to analyze things in a better way. There is exceptional diversity in DEX no matter which sort of token you're looking for. Either it is an extremely hot token or an extraordinarily weird one. You will find it on DEX because it's remarkably accessible. The best part about DEX is that it doesn't require your personal information, and the risks of hacking are very low. The risks of hacking are very low because the funds are directly transferred to the wallets of traders. Now the questions arise. Which decentralized platform should be used? Either one should go for UNISWAP or SUSHISWAP. Uni and Sushi are two competitors. These are two decentralized networks that have their pros and cons. Let's compare both of these competitive decentralized exchanges to determine which one is better. UNISWAP. UNISWAP was initialized by Hayden Adams. It was available for users in 2017. The entire exchange model is based on smart contracts that can create some liquidity pools. These pools are primarily used for exchanging purposes. One can easily exchange cryptos using these exchange centers. A small fee is required to initiate exchange, but it is very easy for traders as the amount is minimal. UNISWAP released its very own UNI token for the first time in September 2020. Since then, the token is working exceptionally with an immense circulating supply of 520 million tokens. The market cap has been estimated to be $9.4 billion. SushiSwap. Just like Uni, the token for SushiSwap is Sushi. Sushi tokens are used in the platforms and the liquidity providers are given these as incentives too. Sushi token is a bit less in price when compared to Uni. The token is sold for $7 per token and its circulating supply is increasing with time. It was estimated to be 192 million tokens for a market cap of roughly 1.3 billion. UNISWAP versus SushiSwap. Let's ponder over the similarities in both the tokens. Number 1. AMM. AMM stands for Automated Market Makers. Both of the decentralized exchanges work on this automated model. Initially, all decentralized platforms used traditional order books, which were not a very reliable method. Moreover, it was a manual way and traders required a more reliable method. They always preferred automation. Now, a proper algorithm has been set up that helps the users and makes it easier for them to trade. Number 2. Pools. There is a similarity in the liquidity pools of the two exchanges. Both the decentralized exchanges allow the users to either swap their cryptocurrency with another one or gain profitable incentives. This feature has been very useful for the traders, and most of them are rapidly shifting from ordinary exchanges to decentralized exchanges. Number 3. Differences. Since there were many similarities between the two systems and they were primarily based on the same concept, the makers decided to reform things with time. Therefore, several changes have been introduced in both exchanges. Number 4. Fees. Both the exchanges want you to pay a minimal fee when you have to swap. The risk factor for the traders in UNISWAP is comparatively low as the fee tiers are split into 3. The 3 fee tiers are 0.05%, 0.3%, and 1% respectively. The more fee tiers mean the greater responsibility of the liquidity providers. On the contrary, SushiSwap charges only 1 fee for all the trading pairs. Number 5. Mining. As far as mining is concerned, UNISWAP started a mining program to provide incentives on the liquidity providers. However, the liquidity program was for a very short span that was discontinued. They have future programs to launch the system again, but it is still in process. On the contrary, SushiSwap's mining program is still working. Conclusion. After all the pros and cons, we conclude that both platforms have great similarities. Both of the exchange programs work on the same automation model. Token swapping is a major feature of both decentralized exchanging programs. There was a huge similarity between the two platforms and they were almost similar. Therefore, both the systems design certain differences. The major introduced differences are the fee tiers, liquidity mining, and rewards. Although SushiSwap is rapidly moving towards success, UNISWAP is currently the most successful platform in terms of trading volume and total revenue. There is a huge difference between the total revenue of SushiSwap when compared to UNISWAP, but the exceptional growth and the incentive programs are increasing the trust of people on this platform. Many people believe that the rapid growth of SushiSwap is because of the extraordinary mining platform, and the growth might cease with the initiation of the UNISWAP mining platform. We have listed all similarities and differences of the two platforms in front of you. It's up to you to choose a good platform that suits your requirements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification button so you always get notified whenever we post a new video. Always remember, you are unique, you are remarkable, and you can change the world. We will meet in a brand new video with a brand new topic. Till then, bye!